I'm gonna cold start a 6 horsepower Mitsubishi. This engine probably has it ran great for about the first 3 or 4 hours of operation that it's ever had, because I was the first person to ever started it, but I was the second owner. But now it won't idle, and it has no way to adjust the carburetor, and I really don't feel messing with it, and I think I just might have found the problem. But yeah, this hose came out. I'll have to get that in a second. But yeah, gotta post a video of the first start of this thing ever. But so yeah. The throttle's all messed up. It hasn't run in probably a month, which I don't know why I haven't run it that long, but so yeah, ran great for first. So yeah, it won't idle, and the idling point that it'll stay running is right around the time the clutch engages, so yeah, that's basically it.